How to make money with Perplexity. I will look into turn your skills into cash right from your laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a power tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these tips could change your financial game. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words effectively, measuring the model's uncertainty or confidence in its predictions. First of all, what is exactly Perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today, we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into perplexity.ai. As you can see, this is a home page. Here we have new trade, control E, A, I. Here we have home, discover, library, sign in. All you have to do is click over here. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, as you can see. Also some SSO or email. You will get your an email and you confirm it, then you are signed up. Here we have where knowledge begins. Ask anything, focus, attach. The next James Bond. Here we have latest women's fashion trend summer 2024. Then we have if we switch on our most powerful search ideal for longer answers to complex questions. So let's give an example like who is the best player on the world. So as you can see, this is the answers. You have your sources first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sources. As you can see, answer the best FIFA is, as you can see, we have Leo Messi. We have also pictures. We have current candidates also. And also we have historical context, as you can see, related, search videos, generate image. So a lot of things that confirm it who is the best player in the world. Then we have here Pro, Enterprise, Playground, Blog, Encyclopedia, Careers. You can choose English or other language you want. For Pro we have here the free one, and Perplexity we have the free one and the professional one. The free one we have limited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality, quite a profile to personalize your answers, and as you can see, this is the professional one. You pay $20 for each month. So here we have Playground. So this is Playground. You can just ask anything about help, about questions, anything you need, as you can see. Then we have Enterprise also. So for Enterprise we have just here information, help your team get further faster, boost your team's efficiency with the most powerful AI resource assistant. You can just get started, as you can see. Then we have Block. We have browsers upgraded for more advanced problem solving. Research shapes our daily lives. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems, to innovate, learn, and grow. Here we have Perplexity collaborates with Amazon Web Services to launch Enterprise Pro, bringing Perplexity to education and not for profit. Then introducing Perplexity Pages, Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro, and the various type of Perplexity. Then we have encyclopedia, as you can see. Welcome to Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge collection and creation. There is always more to learn. Get started today. So we have a lot of niches: caption, edugram, v.ea, EO, in video, aging, and the various niches you can see. Then we have colors here. So we have here our mission, our values, current openings. You can click over the one you want or the one you need, as you can see. And we have here fake. You can frequently asked questions. What is perplexity? How does perplexity work? And a lot of question. You can just click over here and get your answers, as you can see here. What is perplexity? This is the answer. So let's give you some method for earning money on Perplexity. First, you have freelance services. One of the easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here's how you can do it. First, you identify your niche. Are you good at motion specific task? Perplexity helps with E.J, data analysis, content writings, etc. Focus on what you do best. Then we have create a profile, set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some simple projects. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. The second one, we have creating and selling digital. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. Here's how. Develop your product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Set up an online store. Then platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then we have market your products. Use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. The third one, we have affiliate marketing. It's another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Here is how it works. Join an affiliate program, sign up for Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products. Then create followable content, write blog posts, create videos, or use social media to share your affiliate links. Then drive traffic, use SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your content. And there you have it. Three powerful ways to make money with Perplexity. Whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, also you can use online courses. So there is plenty of opportunities out there. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.